Hello guys, hope you're healthy and safe and healthy. So today I have come with a new product. It's a watch, and it's a US Polo Assn watch. So I really like the packaging of this watch. So let's just unbox it and let's see what we have. You can open the package with this one. So let's have a see. It's a really good looking and nice watch, and having a gold and brown combination with it, and I really like this one, the stuff, and it's a leather strap here, and yes. Let me just remove this one. From here, you can see the closer look of this watch. It's have they're really attractive feelings, like it have a big numbers around there, so it's really good, and the material is like really, I really like the material. It's good. So have a look. It's made in Japan, and in the box we got like a normal some manual thing, I think so. It's a US badge. It's some kind of documentation in there. These are some of the watch specs, like how you need to open it. Yes, that's all. So thank you guys. I hope you are like this video. So do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks a lot.